Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'll show you how I made $420 today just simply by doing nothing. And this is a recent sale that I've actually got. And if you don't know me, my name is Sanjeev. And on this channel, I talk about everything got to do with affiliate marketing. But the affiliate program that I'm actually into, it pays you month after month after month, right? And that's what normally the successful people talk about. They normally talk about when you start something, they want to have a returns 5 or 10 years ahead, right? So that's the reason I joined this amazing program and system, and I'll be sharing with you. So make sure you stay all the way till the end, because I'll share with you what I'm doing on a daily basis to be able to earn this amazing amount of income on a consistent and daily basis, right? And so let's get into the video. So I just don't want to share with you that I'm telling you that I'm making all this money without sharing of my results, right? This is one of my accounts, and you can see this is the sale that I've actually got 10:30 today, right? AM time, right? Sale. And this is like what I was actually mentioning to you. If I go down, you'll see all these sales actually coming up, because this is a recurring income system, right? On a continuous basis, I'm getting payment, right? Sale, and I keep going down, sale, right? So, and this is the work that I actually do once, and I'm keep earning income from it for life, as long as I stay plugged into the system, right? Which is just awesome and amazing. And I believe anyone can do this business model as long as you have at least, I'd say, 40 minutes or half an hour a day you can put towards this business and start to get that results and also success, right? Um, so let's get into the figures, right? So this is one of my account, and if you see, so far I made like $7,022.40, and this is growing on a daily basis, right? And pretty much I'm putting only like 20 minutes 30 minutes a day for this system, because I'm into other business models as well, right? So this is one of the income stream that I'm actually have for my online business. And pretty much if I share this with you, like $20, and today we have like a big day, right? $420. And this system actually, what it is like pays you high commission income streams, right? And also pays you like recurring income, right? So most of the high ticket program that you actually get into, it only pays you like high commissions, right? High ticket commission. But the beauty about this system is it pays you on an ongoing basis, together with high ticket commissions that you actually earning, which I earned today, just today, at 10:30 a.m. And I was just spending time with my kids. I took my kids for soccer. That's when I just got the notification that I made a sale, right? So $420, and this is US, by the way, right? These figures are all USA, and I'm actually based in Australia. So this $420 will be into like $500, 550, right? Because of the currency exchange rate, right? So if you're thinking about the system, I wanted to also show you what you actually get when you actually join the system. So what you need to do is just simply click the first link below this video. It will be access the system to earn income online, right? So you need to click the first link beneath this video, and it will actually take you to this page here, right? And the creators, you can see Mike and Paul actually telling you what this system is all about, right? And these two entrepreneurs, very successful people, actually got sick and tired of the industry, right? Where it's actually going, and pretty much they actually combined forces, because the program that they were actually into, it was sometimes going bankrupt. Sometimes they used to change the compensation plan. Sometimes they just used to decrease the how much they would pay them, right? So it's just always up and down, and they just got sick and tired of the industry. So they just combined together, and the things they didn't want, they didn't like about the industry, now they put everything together. So people, when they actually join, they know it's the best thing out there, right? Because for years, if you're actually filing online, it's not very awesome when you're actually filing online. You don't get a good feeling when you're actually filing in the online space. So that's the reason they joined forces, and now they came together and they put together this system called the Home Business Academy. Right? So what you're gonna do is you're going to just go down, and you can see in here the important thing is you're gonna get a lot of bonus, which you're gonna actually go through the testimonials in here, what people think about this system. But any of this green button, when you actually click, it will take you to the page, right? So any of this green button, just click the green button, and it will actually take you to the page that actually looks like this, right? So this is the page where you're going to enter all your details and everything like that. Put your name, email address, phone number, billing address, card details, right? And make sure you tick this box here, and pretty much tick this box as well, right? So you can actually get access to the system for as little as $26, right? You can try it out, see if this is something that you looking to be able to earn sustainable income online, right? On a continuous, consistent basis, you're gonna be earning from this system, right? And that's what I've been doing, and so far my journey has been so awesome. I'm learning everything every single day, and I'm putting at least, like I said, not that much time. I'm not stuck on the laptop all the time, right? And pretty much this is the actual system. I wanted to show you what it actually looks like on the inside, so you can actually see, right? See for yourself if this is something that you're actually looking for. So this is like a funnel builder tool, and it pays you on an ongoing, consistent basis, just like ClickFunnels. But ClickFunnels actually charge a lot of money, whereas this system charges you only $25 to get started, and with the potential for you to be earning $400, $800, and $100, $120 recurring commission month after month after month, right? Awesome system. It teaches you how to build your funnel. If you want to get successful in the online space, especially doing affiliate marketing, you need these two things. First, you need to have a funnel, a sales process, and then second, you need a traffic to be able to come into that funnel, right? So simple as that, right? So this is the actual system that you're gonna get, but for a limited time, I'm also helping out people to be able to set up their system, so when they actually start the system, they can get results doing the system, right? So if you're one of those people who need my personal help and how I'm actually getting results with this amazing system, you can just click the link in the description section or in the comment section and come and connect to me via Facebook. And when you actually come to Facebook, right, you can actually message me, just say info, and this is my profile, so you know, like, I'm a real person, right? I'm a real person, right? This is my family, and I'm just doing everything for my family, right? My family means a lot to me, right? I'm pretty sure it means a lot to you as well. Like, your family is everything, right? So you're gonna just come here and then just drop me a message. Say, hi, I'm ready to proceed. What's the next step? So that's all you have to do, and then everything I'll set up for you, right? So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and let me know what you think about this video and how is your affiliate marketing journey going for you as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and you keep crushing it out there. Bye for now. God bless.